Today's teacher in the classroom is Jason Stephenson of Jason Stephenson Meditations. I am so excited every time we can have a conversation where we can dive into our beliefs and ask the question, is it true? What can I replace or rewrite that belief with? So go check out our conversation because Jason shared this story that happened of returning a text, and it took him 4 weeks, and what happened during those 4 weeks. So I want to encourage you to not only watch today's class, but also dive into what could potentially be your limiting beliefs that need to be explored. Go to whenyouneedafriend.com. Like I said, check out the conversation there. And while you're there, please subscribe and like and follow all my social media, especially BitChute and Odyssey. Thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed in those new channels. I'm sorry, but we're like little wandering people trying to find a new home. And hopefully we can pack up our bags and go to those different social media platforms. And please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you worldwide at whenyouneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah!